So the purpose is to demonstrate how water levels are affected by objects of various mass. This phenomenon is commonly known as water displacement. So for the materials, you will need a bucket, water, which obviously more than that, jar with lid, journal, and pen to record data. So here's a step-by-step procedure for water displacement. As you can see, I filled the bucket with water, so it's about 3/4 full. I went ahead and placed the jar into the bucket. As you can see, the water level slightly increased above the red line. Keep in mind, the lid must be attached to the jar. I fully submerged the jar to the bottom of the bucket. The water level increased again to about 1/2 inch above the red line. I then took out the jar and filled up the bucket with water to the brim. I placed the jar once more and fully submerged it to the bottom of the bucket. As you can see, it overflowed the bucket. As a result, when the jar is immersed in a bucket of water, it results in displacement of the water, pushing the water out of the way and taking its place. When the jar was first placed in the bucket, it floated. This is because the weight of the jar was less than the weight of the water it displaced. When the water was pushed to the bottom, or filled with water, the jar sunk at the moment the water is displaced, while it's equal to the jar's volume. Archimedes' principle states the amount of liquid displaced is directly related to its weight.